students, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you another excellent website offered by Central Government of India for the internships. Let's start. So this is website that is an internship website, where this is an All India Council for Technical Education website by Ministry of Education. You can find it here, the complete details. Okay, and here once you log into this particular link, you can see internship.aicte-india.org. So this is a website where you can see find internship. So here you can find the internship. You can enter any internship name, or you can enter the city and search for it. If you just scroll down, you can see these are all the internship which are provided by Indian, like Tulip. You can see internship by Cisco, internship by IBM, Microsoft internships. So here you can search based on the company. Okay, so Indian companies, you can find the complete internship details. So once if you click here and open, you can see the internship provided by IBM itself. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, or I'll just scroll down. If you want to find the internship based on the city in India, so you can see here internship in Nicobar and an internship in Andhra Pradesh. So here wherever you are in, like just right click and open here, or else click there to open. You can find the possible internship which are provided, which are possible in the corresponding cities. Okay, so this is internship by cities. You can just go and scroll here. You can see the complete internship provided by the city. Or else if you want to find, if you are not just looking for the location wise internship, you just want to see the location, you just want to see what are all the open internships available, then simply click here find an internship. Okay, so click find an internship. So once if you click here find an internship, so here you can see recently posted internships. Okay, so just click here recently posted internship. It will take you to the recently posted one. So here you can see this is for web development. Okay, so here you can see it is posted on 16th Jan 2024. Okay, start date is immediately. The stipend is unpaid, and number of openings 100 openings you have to apply. And if you scroll down, you can also see the paid internship. Just scroll down. So if you have any paid internships, that too will be listed here. You can see like these are all the companies which are looking for internships. Okay, so here you can see Pro Work Campus Ambassador Virtual Internship. Okay, so they are paying you 10,000 per month. Fine, and you have to apply before 1st of February. Now once if you click this view details, okay, first you have to cross check the company as well. So once if you click the view details, you can see the complete information about that particular course, like a particular company, about the program, what is this program is all about, and the perks. Okay, so what you will be getting, who can apply, anybody or from any specialization, relevant skills and everything, terms of engagement, number of openings. So if you wanted to apply, just click here I am not robo and just simply click apply now. Or else if you want to see the complete details, you can just scroll down and see practical ethical hacking. It's a part-time. Okay, so here you can see what type of internship it is, whether it is a virtual internship or a part-time or a full-time, what is the date they have posted for, when you have to apply, what is the deadline. Okay, and this is the mode of internship. So here you can see this is the mode of internship, and this is the location, and this is how many days, like duration of the internship. Okay, and here you can see number of openings, and here you can see the stipend. Okay, everything. So once if you scroll down, you can see everything, like what are the open internships which are recently posted, and before when you have to apply. So you can check for the paid. If you are looking for paid one and virtual, you can also check for that. Or else if you are looking for anything, you just need to do an internship, then just go ahead. I personally request you to just see the complete details about the company. Okay, so this is what. Or else if you wanted to just go ahead and search by the city. Okay, so I wanted to search by the city Chennai. Go search for Chennai and search it. So here you can find, okay, so it's a biomedical internship. Okay, see, there is no restriction. Okay, only computer science students can apply, only chemistry, chemical engineering students can apply. So this is for all domains. Okay, this is provided to you by AICTE. Got it. So here you can see everything. So AC technician, Voltas, okay, they are looking for this. So you have to apply before 31 2024. Okay, and FMCG sales, ITC, in ITC. Okay, ITC Hyderabad, and this is marketing in Surya color products. So you have to choose relevantly. If you are under, for example, if you are under any other specific domain, okay, you are looking for computer science, then you can just search here computer science. Or if you are specifically looking for Python based internship, then you can select here Python. So it will show you what all the internships which are possible. Only 3 internships which are recently posted. Okay, so sorry, this is, yeah, you can even apply by 0188 2024, so no problem. So this is what you can just apply here. You can check here and apply for this. So I personally request you to first go through, if you are from any specific city, first look around. If you wanted to go in person and get the experience, then search by city, go in person and get the experience. And if you wanted to do as a part time, and this is not a mandatory requirement, if you are in first year, okay, if you want to do just part time, so you can just go ahead with a virtual internship. So if you are in a first year, don't worry about the stipends. Okay, because you need experience. Even if you are a final year student, because if for a final year or a third year students, you will be having an internship as a part of the curriculum, then you have to do it as a full time. Okay, then go and search for full time. Okay, so this is how you have to just choose. Even if you wanted to do part-time or full-time, it's completely depends on you. So this is the link. Okay, simply go here, click your recently posted internship, so you can just look for what are the possible internships which you have. Or else if you are very specific about any company, okay, no, I wanted to just go for internship by Google, I wanted to apply for Google internship, then select here Google internship. So here you can see any relevant internships where it will be like related to Google or something. So anyhow, I request you to just click there and see whether, okay, no internship found under Google. Okay, as of now there is no internship. So recently I have posted the internship details for Google, that is STEP. Okay, STEP 2014. So please go and watch that. So here you can see this is my channel. Please go and subscribe to my channel, so that you can get the alerts about internships. So it will be updated in the skill up. Okay, in the skill up playlist you can see the information about the internship. So there I have posted about STEP internship by Google, that you can apply. So if you wanted to know, because once if you just scroll, once if you click on anything, and if you wanted to know how to apply for this specific internship program, please comment, I will help you. Okay, so once if you click view details, it will take you to the specific information, complete information about that particular internship, like web development, in the sense what is the number of credits and how many openings are there. So here if you click on this view details, here you have apply now options, right? If you wanted to know further about how to apply AICET internship, please let me know, I will help you out. Please leave your comment. If you want more videos like this, please comment. Yes, I'll meet you in the next exciting internship provided by well-renowned organization. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.